Hello children, how are you all? Children, just now you have celebrated Diwali festival. Now which festival is coming soon? Which festival do we celebrate on 25th December? Yes, we celebrate Christmas festival on 25th December. Children, all of you know Christmas tree very well. See the picture of a Christmas tree here. Then you also know Santa Claus. But children, do you know a snowman? See the picture of a snowman here. Snowman is a snow sculpture. That is, snowman is built out of snow or by using snow. And snowman is built in regions where there is sufficient snowfall. Means there should be sufficient snowfall so that snowman can be built by using snow. In the picture you can see snow everywhere. There is snow everywhere, and so the background of the picture is white. So children, remember this when you are coloring the picture. Now a typical snowman is built out of 3 snowballs of different sizes. And these 3 snowballs are stacked on each other. See the picture. Then some things are stuck in it so that it should look more like a person. Now which things are stuck or used in it? Things like hat, scarf, pebbles, then buttons, then carrot is used for the nose of a snowman, and twigs or branches of a tree are used for arms of snowman. You can see here in the picture how children are making a snowman. See here also that they are using twigs or branches of a tree for arms of a snowman. So children, let us draw a snowman today. So today's subject is drawing and topic is snowman. Be ready with your drawing book or drawing pens, sharpened pencils, an eraser and crayons. Let me show you how to draw a snowman. Are you ready children with your drawing page or drawing book? Now you have to keep your drawing page or drawing book vertically like this. See that it should be vertical. Okay? Then write today's name of the topic, that is snowman. SNOWMAN, snowman. And then write today's date on this line. Now let's draw a snowman. For that first you have to leave some space. Okay, and then draw a small circle. Now let's draw a hat. For that you have to draw like this. Then draw two curved lines. Join them with a curved line and then draw one more curved line inside. This is a hat. Okay. Now let's draw eyes and nose. I have already told you snowman has a nose of a carrot. So draw it like this. A carrot is used to show the nose of a snowman. So we have to draw it like this. And then draw a mouth. Now let's draw muffler. Okay. Are you drawing, children, with me? This is a muffler. Now let's draw one more circle. Little bit bigger than this circle. This circle. Okay? And after that, let's draw one more big circle. Bigger than these two circles. Okay? Then draw here buttons like this. Now let's draw hands. Now what is used for the hands of a snowman? Yes, twigs or branches of a tree. So you have to draw hands like this. So what we are drawing here? Arms of a snowman. Okay? Have you done? Now let's draw here one line like this. The snowman is made on snow. Here and everywhere there is snow. Okay, children? So here our drawing of a snowman is finished. Now let me show you how to color this picture. For that, let me come to you. Hello children, see the picture which we have drawn just now. Now first you have to color the hat of a snowman. For that, first give black color, then red color, and then again black color. So in this way, color the hat of a snowman first. Then color eyes and mouth of a snowman with black color and nose with orange color. Why orange color, children? Because as I told you, the nose of a snowman is made out of carrot. A carrot is used for the nose of a snowman. So give orange color. Then color the muffler or scarf of a snowman with red color and buttons with black color. Okay? Then color arms of a snowman with brown color. Now here why brown color? Because twigs or branches of a tree are used for arms of a snowman. So give brown color. And then give light blue color to the baseline as teacher has given. Okay, children? And then give nice black outline to the picture. Then you have to keep the background white as everywhere there is snow. So keep it white only. So like this, enjoy drawing, coloring and keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.